I touch that fire for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch I do it all, and I'm around you scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. Promise. I your body. I touch that fire for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch I do it all, and I'm around you scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I think these are connected, but I am on one plane now. I didn't do a proper intro because we were like in a rush. We're on the plane to Egypt now. Finally actually got on the plane. I don't know how many people can hear me, but I don't think a lot. But I think we have like, what's the time? It's like 2:15 now, so we have about 3 hours left. It was supposed to be 5 hours and 30 minutes, but it's changed for some reason, which is good. It's gone lower. It's 4 minutes, like 20 minutes. Wait, no, 4 hours and 20 minutes. I mean, but I'm just watching this series.
I was not watching a series, I apologise. I was actually watching a movie. It's called How to Date Billy Walsh. I would actually say it's a 10 out of 10 banging movie that I've watched. It's actually so good. It's 2 hours. I definitely recommend watching it. You guys should go and watch it. It's on Prime Video. But I just wanted to give a little preview on what I thought about this movie, and it was pretty good.
Bruh.
I've watched everything else. Oh, there's nothing else to watch, to be honest, because the other things are pretty boring and I won't watch a lot. But I'm probably gonna film when I get out. I'm probably gonna film the hotel and what it looks like, and then I'll film when, like, after dinner and stuff, because we're gonna get there about like 9ish. So I'm probably gonna film then. But I'll see you guys then. I look well chopped. What's going on? That's mental, that.
Right, we just got into our room and it's like we got upgraded, right? No, we literally, wait, okay, you know, we got upgraded to a grand suite, and it's like there's a living room, there's 2 bathrooms, there's 2 bedrooms. Let me show you, let me give you a little tour. Right, so this is the first bathroom. We have like a shower and then a mirror, and then this is the living room. Actually pretty cool. There's a living room with aircon, a nice TV, and then we walk in to this hallway, and then we have our own room. Me and Mason are sharing. And then we just have. Oh, what kind of view is that, anyways? And then we have a big mirror here. Big photos. We have a big mirror here. Mini fridge. We have a mini fridge, anyways. And then, excuse me, another mirror. Oh, this is the best mirror. And then we have another bathroom. And then we have another room. But I'm exhausted. It is really hot. That's why, like, I've got like these sleeves up. But it's so big. It's so big. It's so big. But I don't know what we're doing. I think we're gonna get food, but I might change because like this is what I'm wearing. This is the OTD right now. Joggers and jumper, like that is crazy. But I'm boiling. That is so big. Like, it's actually big. But I think we're just gonna get food and then we're gonna go sleep. And then wake up for the next day, but I'm gonna film the next day, which is really exciting. But yeah, I'm going to get food now. This might be like a separate vlog because this might be a long one because I filmed on the plane. But there's probably gonna be a day 3 and day 2 together, and probably a day 4 and 5. But I won't film all of it because it's a bit too much. But I'll try and film most of it. This is actually crazy. Like, this is actually crazy. It's crazy. It's so real, honestly. That's so pretty. Look how pretty. Right, we're just gonna go to the other side to check out the entertainment bit, but I'm probably gonna end the vlog here because I'm gonna film tomorrow, but this has been a long day and I can't film anything else and I'm just really tired. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and yeah, make sure you stay tuned for the other vlogs in Egypt because they'll be more eventful than today, because today was just like a travelling one, like travelling to Egypt kind of thing. So but yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a blessed day, and yeah, bye guys.
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do.